is talking about AI. It's in our apps, our jobs, even our art. But is the hype real, or are we chasing something that isn't quite what it seems? This video will change your mind about AI, cutting through the noise to show you the truth behind the headlines. You can't escape it. AI is everywhere. Media headlines scream about robots taking over, ChatGPT replacing jobs, and AGI arriving by 2030. Tech CEOs say AI will be bigger than electricity. Investors are throwing billions at startups with barely a product. But let's pause for a moment. Is this hype helping, or is it blinding us? Previously, AI was mostly relegated to research papers and niche applications. But today, it's a mainstream technology with a broad range of use cases. And I believe this trend will continue. However, not all AI is created equal. Much of the current hype is driven by large language models like ChatGPT, which are great at generating human-like text. But other types of AI are much more useful. For example, computer vision algorithms can detect objects and patterns in images and videos, which has applications in autonomous driving, surveillance, and even healthcare. So, yes, AI is everywhere, but that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. In fact, I think we're just getting started. Here's what AI actually is right now. It's a tool that's really good at recognizing patterns. It works well in narrow contexts like writing, coding, or predicting the next word in a sentence. But it's not good at making judgments or understanding nuance like a human would. It hallucinates facts. Like when I asked it to write a poem about pizza, it confidently wrote, "Pizza, a delicious Italian dish made with ingredients like pineapple and watermelon." Despite the fact that pizza toppings are usually limited to cheese or pepperoni, AI can't reason like a human. It doesn't think. It processes information. And because of that, it's not replacing all jobs. It's changing jobs. It's automating tasks, but not entire professions. For example, AI can help doctors by scanning patient records and suggesting diagnoses, but it can't replace them because medicine requires human touch. AI is a tool that's here to stay. It's up to us to decide how to use it. The AI hype has real downsides. Here are 3 of them. First, misinformation. People think that AI is smarter than it is. It's not. It's just really good at pretending to be. Second, fear-mongering. Some people think that AI will destroy humanity next year. It won't. Not next year, maybe never. Third, missed opportunities. We're so focused on the sci-fi future of AI that we're ignoring the useful tools that it can be today. Companies are using hype to push products that don't deliver, and governments are delaying regulation because they're scared of missing out. And creators like us, we feel the pressure to compete with machines that can churn out content 10 times faster than we can. So, what can we do? 1. We can call out misinformation when we see it. 2. We can push back against the fearmongers. And 3. We can build the tools to help humanity take advantage of this incredible technology. It's not going away. So, let's make sure that we're on the right side of history. The quietest revolution in the world is happening right now. People are using AI to do things that were previously impossible. For example, in education, AI is now used to create personalized tutors for millions of students. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. In climate research, AI is helping scientists find patterns in complex data sets that would otherwise take years to uncover. This isn't the AI takeover that some people predicted. There's no AGI or robot overlords. What this means is that AI is quietly augmenting human ability. It's helping us do our jobs better, faster, and more efficiently. And if you're worried about your job security, you should be. If you're not, then you're not paying attention. AI is transforming industries. It's creating new opportunities, and it's making some people very rich in the process. So if you want to thrive in this new economy, you need to learn how to use AI to your advantage. The sooner you start, the better. Because as this revolution continues to unfold, the opportunities will only grow. Forget the buzzwords. Here's what actually matters when it comes to AI: transparency. How are these models trained? Are they trained on data that is biased? Who gets harmed by them? Who benefits from them? These are the questions we need to be asking. Bias and fairness. Who gets harmed by these systems? Who benefits from them? We need to make sure that AI is not perpetuating existing inequalities. Ethics and control. Who decides how AI is used? Because if we're not careful, AI could be used to control and manipulate people. It's also important to understand the limits of AI. AI can do some things really well, but there are other things that humans are better at. We need to understand the difference. This is not a new topic. It's something that has been discussed for decades. What is new is the urgency. We are in a unique moment in history. If we get this right, AI can help us solve some of the world's biggest problems. If we get this wrong, it could be the biggest mistake of our time. AI isn't magic. It's not a monster, and it's not going away. The question is, will we use it wisely or let the hype control the narrative? If this changed your perspective, subscribe for more grounded takes on the future of tech.